Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the skin ready. Wash the area and your hands, then dry thoroughly so the cream absorbs. Once done, perform a patch test on your inner forearm and watch for 24 hours to ensure no reaction. If safe, open the tube and squeeze a pea-size amount, about 0.5 g, onto a clean fingertip. Apply thinly and evenly to the target area. Make sure to follow prescribed frequency exactly and avoid excess product that can irritate. You now move into steady application. Choose the same time daily to build a routine. Morning or night both work, because consistency drives results. After cleansing with a gentle non-soap formula, make sure the skin is fully dry, then apply a thin, even layer and lightly massage until absorbed. If your prescriber allowed occlusion, follow those exact steps, otherwise avoid tight coverings. Keep track of amount used each day, so you match the labeled or prescribed daily dose and avoid overuse. You finish by ensuring no residue remains on your hands and by avoiding contact with sensitive areas like eyes or mucous membranes. Over the next days, monitor progress and note any increased redness, burning, or swelling. These signs matter because they indicate irritation or allergy. If mild irritation appears, pause use for 24-48 hours and resume if improved. If symptoms worsen or you develop blisters or systemic signs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.